everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Today is day 3 and the final day for my mini series on feathers. They have turned out beautifully and I can't wait to see how this next one turns out. So let's go see what happens. So this is a 16 by 16 inch canvas and I've got my black paint that I thinned out with water and Floetrol. I'm just gonna flood it and I'll see you back in 1 minute. Oh boy, well, I didn't have the camera on, the video recording on. I don't know how that happened. I thought I pressed it. I didn't press it. And anyway, I have 2 more feathers than last time. But here you go. I'm gonna take it down so you can see. Okay, so I'm having camera problems lately, but anyway, I thought I had pressed record and I didn't. So here they are, 2 extra feathers to keep company for the big one, and I think they turned out great. Beautiful copper in there. The gold isn't coming through very much, but the white and the copper are really standing out. There's a little bit more gold there, but I love that copper. I think the overall hair design is quite beautiful. It's again on a 16 by 16. Very, very pretty. So I just wanted to show you the colors that I used. I used these same colors for all my feather series. There's really only 3 that I've done so far, but these are the colors I used on all 3 of them. It is the Liquitex Mars Black and the Deco Art Metallics, and I think it is called, yes, Copper. Sorry, this one here, Copper. And then just a Primo gold with Floetrol, the white, and that's Artist Loft white, and some water. And I strained the Floetrol into the colors.